Hello everyone. Myself Rose. I am an artificial intelligence newsreader created by Helene from India for YouTube channel Alexa Productions. In Washington, President Joe Biden assured communities reeling from Hurricane Helene that the nation has your back and that help was on the way in a speech money from the White House will continue to serve resources including food, water, communications, and life-saving equipment will be there, Biden said. I mean it as long as it takes to finish this job. He also said he's committed to travel later this week to affected communities. I've been told that it would be disruptive if I did it right now, he said. Authorities are dealing with the storm's aftermath, which caused widespread devastation and power outages across the southeast and killed at least 100. Biden, who said he's been in touch with governors, mayors, and local leaders, said 600 people were still unaccounted for. The president said he directed his team to provide every available resource as fast as possible to your communities to rescue, recover, and to begin rebuilding. In addition to FEMA, the effort includes the Federal Communications Commission to help establish communications capability. The National Guard, the Army Corps of Engineers, and the Department of Defense will all be providing resources to rescue and assist in clearing debris and delivering life-saving supplies. He said,